Service voters. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to define service voter, cite the application forms for different types of service voters, explain the classified service voters and proxy voters, illustrate the method of appointment of proxy voters, familiarize with the different types of forms and formats. Who is a service voter? Those working in or employed under the armed forces of the Union, forces to which Army Act 1950 applies, that is Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF, ITBP, SSB, NSG, GREF, BRO, CISF, etc. State armed police forces and serving outside the state. Government of India employee and posted outside India. Enrollment procedure for service voter. A voter having service qualification can get enrolled as service voter at his native place. Also have an option to get himself enrolled as a general elector at the place of his or her posting, but can be enrolled only at one place at a time. Different types of forms for the enrollment as a service voters are: Form 2 for members of armed forces, Form 2A for members of armed police forces of a state serving outside the state, Form 3 persons employed under the Government of India and posted outside the India. Form 2 is shown on the screen. Form 2A is shown on the screen. Form 3 is shown on the screen. If a service voter wants to enroll as a general elector, then he has to use the Form 6. The Form 6 is shown on the screen. Spouse of a service voter. The spouse of a service voter shall, if is ordinarily residing with him or her, be also deemed to be a service voter in the constituency specified by that person. But a son, daughter, relative, servant, etc., residing ordinarily with a service voter cannot be enrolled as a service voter. Classified service voter. Service voter belonging to armed forces or forces to which provisions of Army Act has option of either voting through the postal ballot or through a proxy voter duly appointed by him. A service voter who opts for voting through a proxy is called classified service voter. Who is a proxy? A service voter may appoint any person as a proxy to give vote on his or her behalf and in his or her name at the polling station. The proxy shall have to be ordinary resident of that constituency. He or she need not be registered voter, but he or she must not be disqualified to be registered as a voter. Method of appointment of proxy voter. If a service voter is at the place of his posting, he has to put his signature in Form 13F before the commanding officer of the unit and then to send the form to his proxy for affixing his or her signature before a notary or the first class magistrate. Thereafter, the proxy can submit the form to the returning officer concerned. If a service voter is at his native place, both he and his proxy can sign the Form 13F before a notary or the first class magistrate and then send to the returning officer concerned. The format of Form 13F is shown on the screen. Application for appointment of a proxy should be received by the returning officer before the last date of filing of the nomination papers. If application received after the last date of filing of the nomination, then it will be valid for subsequent election unless revoked or changed. Period of validity of proxy. Till the person making the appointment is a service voter. Once appointed, the proxy will continue until his appointment is revoked by the service voter. Proxy can be changed at any time or any number of times by the classified service voter. Classified service voter can revoke proxy and opt back for the postal ballot through Form 13G. The format of Form 13G is shown on the screen. Record of vote by the proxy voter. The proxy can record the vote on behalf of the service voter at the polling station to which service voter is assigned, in the same manner as any other elector assigned to that polling station. in addition to the vote that he or she may cast in his or her own name, if he/she is a registered elector in the constituency at the polling station to which he or she has been normally assigned. Postal ballot for classified service voters. Postal ballot will not be issued to classified service voter. Epic card for service voters. Epic card is not issued to service voters. In this education video, we have learned about the service voter. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.